Our company specializes in the research and development and production of FRP pultruded profiles and can customize sizes, materials, specifications, and colors to meet your needs. We support processing based on provided drawings or samples. We offer a complete range of products with excellent quality. A full range of power supply products including FRP cable trays, polyurethane cable boxes, high-voltage power crossarms, insulating supports, and high-voltage insulating profiles. The product is lightweight yet high-strength, insulating, explosion-proof, corrosion-resistant, and anti-aging, unaffected by salt sprays, acids and alkalis, and extreme high and low temperatures, with a long service life. Our products are widely used in various key projects such as the state grid, rail transit, chemical industrial parks, wind power and photovoltaic power, and underground utility tunnels. We support customized specifications, fast shipping from in-stock items, and provide professional technical support and installation guidance throughout the entire process.